Today we're going to be looking at installing mud flaps. We're laying them out here to see if there's everything in order. Here we're going to remove the back bolt. There's two of them back there, and you just have to remove one. We're doing the rear flap first. Of course it had to rain. Then you remove the little clips or the fasteners. Putting the new flap in there, and there's a little fastener or a little clip that goes on the top. It's not a fastener, so it clips into the wheel well liner. It clips right in there. And then you have to install the new fasteners that they give you. They're a little longer than the originals. Sometimes you got to push a little hard. Keep it aligned. And you'll hear it snap when it goes in. Then you gotta put the bolt back in the back. We use power tools, but you can do it by hand. Now the front flap's a little different. It's got a tailing edge on it that have to be double-sided tape to the bottom of the frame of the car, but there's a lip there on the edge, and they give you real thin double-sided tape that won't do that, won't reach over the lip, so I had to substitute some foam double-sided tape that I had. Here you see my friend Mike is removing the fasteners, the existing fasteners. You see the foam tape there. And he's lining it up. And you notice at the very top of that flap, there's a clip that clips onto the existing wheel well liner. Get it all lined up. And start putting in the clips again. Or the fasteners. These are fasteners, I'm sorry. I wanted to show you the video so you can actually see what it actually looks like. Notice I had the wheel turned, and you reach underneath and push up hard against the body of the car to get the double-sided tape stuck real good. There's what it looked like before. And we'll give you some after pictures also. Here's the other side of the car after. Here's something to remember. There's an important note. Anyone using a referral link can earn 1,000 miles of free supercharging with the purchase of a new Tesla car. Do not place your order through Tesla.com. A referral link is not a code that can be added after the fact. All referral orders must be placed through an active referral link, as the referral cannot be added after the order is placed. The referral link will take you to the Tesla site and automatically apply your referral credit and allow you to proceed with your purchase. And here's my referral link if you want to use mine. Thank you guys. More videos coming.